Okay, so this is my chuck box. This is what I take camping. If you've never seen it before, it's really, really super awesome. So, I've got my spices, my cooking oils on this side. I've got my cooking tools here, dish soap, disinfectant, bags, scrubbing things. I've got this nice counter space up here. And then inside here, I have most all my kitchen stuff. Supplies, drawers, matches, lights, tongs, foil. I got napkins, and I've even got 2 bottles of fuel. I'm thinking about making another one of these that's a little bit different to expand on my kit. But by itself, just like this, I've already taken it on probably 20 camping trips. It's super awesome. So, if you think you'd like to build one, I'm thinking about putting together a workshop that would take maybe over a couple days. It doesn't take the whole days, but build this, and if you want to participate this spring, maybe in the summertime, I'd love to plan for that. I'm inviting Jake, Jessa, I'm inviting Braden and Emma, and maybe some other people if they're inclined. That's my commercial.
Savannah?
Oh, Savannah. I meant Savannah. I lost track. Absolutely. I actually started this video thinking about Savannah and Fisher. So thank you from the Peanut Gallery for keeping me on my game. I should have wrote my script out. That's my commercial. Let me know.